Hey there, ever thought you could live larger in a smaller home right here in Central Oregon? Well, you absolutely can, and I'm here to show you how. By the way, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty, your go-to real estate agent here in Central Oregon. Thinking of selling, buying, or investing? I'm happy to have a conversation. My details are below. Now, let's get to it. First off, let's talk about decluttering. It's not just about throwing things away, it's about making room for what really matters. Start with one room at a time and ask yourself, do I need this? If you haven't used it in a year, it's time to say goodbye. This simple step will surprise you with how much space you actually have. Next up, multifunctional furniture is your best friend. Think of a bed with storage underneath or a coffee table that transforms into a dining table. These pieces are game changers, providing you the utility you need without eating up space. Now, let's chat about vertical space. Shelves aren't just for books, they're perfect for decor, plants, and even kitchen essentials. By moving upwards, you keep the floor clutter-free and create a feeling of openness. Lighting plays a huge role too. Bright, well-lit rooms feel bigger and more inviting. Use a mix of natural light, mirrors to reflect that light, and strategic lighting fixtures to brighten up every corner. Lastly, embrace the outdoor lifestyle that Central Oregon offers. Your living space doesn't end with your front door. Parks, trails, and community spaces are extensions of your home. A small home means less time cleaning and more time enjoying the great outdoors. See, living in a smaller home doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. It's all about making smart choices and embracing a lifestyle that brings you joy and freedom. Thanks for watching, and get ready to live larger than ever in your cozy Central Oregon home. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty.